This video is about PHP performance and specifically focuses on optimization basics. We will explore essential techniques to boost your PHP application speed, so you can deliver faster experiences to your users. Let's understand why performance is of utmost importance. A 1-second delay can result in a 7% conversion loss. Moreover, 53% of users abandon sites that take more than 3 seconds to load. So faster websites means happier users and better business outcomes. Now let's explore OPcache, PHP's built-in accelerator. OPcache caches compiled PHP bytecode in memory. This eliminates the need to parse and compile scripts on every request, significantly improving performance. Here is a sample configuration. OPcache.enable equals 1, OPcache.memory_consumption equals 256, OPcache.max_accelerated_files equals 7,963, OPcache.validate_timestamps equals 0, and OPcache.revalidate_frequency equals 0. Database interactions are often a bottleneck in PHP applications. Here are some key strategies to optimize database queries. Use proper indexing. Avoid select star, which retrieves all columns when you only need a few. Use prepared statements to prevent SQL injection and improve performance. Implement query caching to store and reuse the results of frequently executed queries. Here is an example. Good specific columns. Select ID, name, email from users where status equals active limit 10. Bad all columns. Select star from users. Efficient memory management is vital for PHP applications. Key practices include unsetting large variables after use to free up memory, avoiding memory leaks by properly closing resources, using generators for large datasets to process data in chunks, and monitoring memory usage to identify potential issues. Here is an example. Free memory after use. Large array equals get data function, process data with large array as argument, unset large array. Monitor memory. Echo memory get usage function with true as argument. Caching is a powerful technique to improve performance by storing and reusing data. Some common cache types include file-based caching, Redis or Memcached, application-level cache, and HTTP caching headers. Here is an example of simple file cache. Cache file equals cache/data.json. Cache time equals 3600, which is 1 hour. If file exists, cache file and time function minus film time function with cache file as argument less than cache time, then data equals JSON decode function with file get contents function with cache file as argument. Optimizing your PHP code can lead to significant performance improvements. Some quick wins include using single quotes for strings, avoiding unnecessary loops, using isEt function versus array key exists function, and minimizing function calls. Here are some code examples. Fast, single quotes, name variable equals John. Fast, isEt function check. If isEt function with array with key as the argument. Cache function results. Count variable equals count function with items as argument. For I variable equals 0, I variable less than count variable, I variable plus plus. To effectively optimize your PHP applications, utilize performance monitoring tools. Essential tools include Debug Profiler, Blackfire.io, New Relic APM, Apache Bench abbreviated as UP, and PHP built-in server. Small optimizations can lead to significant performance gains. Always measure, optimize, and measure again. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.